Say happy birthday to Grandpa? You gonna say happy birthday to Grandpa? Huh? You gonna say happy birthday? Tell Grandpa happy birthday. You're more interested in just looking. Don't really want to talk right now. You see that baby in the screen? Yeah. Anyway, say happy birthday, Grandpa. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Are you giving him your kissy face? Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Say I love you, Grandpa. Yeah. All right. Good girl.